Good morning. It is so interesting to think of what they are addressing here, how they're fighting some of the most pressing climate issues of our time in such innovative ways. AltaSea is incredible. And Dr. Natz is the former executive director of the Port of LA. She is on the board of AltaSea. And give us this kind of a macro idea of what the magic that is done here.
Well, AltaSea is a 35-acre ocean technology and innovative campus. And what we do here is we bring together universities, businesses, mainly startup businesses, and educators to really work on some of those really pressing problems.
Amazing. And as we're going to walk in here, Brian, if you want to go ahead of us, and we're going to see one of your tenants that you were talking about. In the meantime, tell us about this legislation that is, you hope the governor signs. It's a bipartisan bill.
Exactly. Senate Bill 605. It calls for a study of the entire California coast to focus on how we can harness tidal and wave energy.
Interesting. Okay. Well, thank you for letting people know about it and for the insight on this place and talking about, wind energy. This is really cool. We're with Arcam Technologies. Taylor, tell us about what you are doing in this huge 3D printer. It's amazing.
Yeah, so we are a company focusing on 3D concrete printing marine renewable energy infrastructure. So you can see our robot here is our prototyping robot. We use this to make scale prototypes, mainly of things of anchors or floating structures, such as that will be used potentially in the coast of California. We've partnered with universities and such as University of San Diego, to do the testing of these scale structures. And we have a few different things going on here.
I want to show you guys. So this is what we'll have. We'll show you kind of the prototype here. They make these with a 3D printer, correct? And so you would have the offshore windmill energy.
Yeah, so we've got offshore wind off the coast of California. 2 lease areas being procured. We're looking at developing the anchoring systems, so these will be anchored to the sea floor. We're looking at the platform systems. And we're also looking at energy storage systems. So anything you can think of as marine renewable energy, infrastructure related, we're trying to advance 3D concrete printing into that process to make it cheaper, increase the production rate, and also keep local domestic manufacture alive.
Fascinating. Thank you for sharing with us. And just to give you an idea of what it would look like in practice, you would see here on this picture, you see the renewable energy above the water, and then below are the 3D printed creations that they make that store energy and hold those windmills there. So it's really cool. AltaSea.org for more information. We'll have more coming up in the next hour. I'll send it back to you.
So good. Thank goodness for great minds like that.